Something inside so strong.
Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Silvafatsumalisiwa Gracefully Tori and I am excited to host you. I hope you guys are safe and taking care of yourselves wherever you are in the world. It's pretty cold where I am and I'm warming myself up with some coffee in my favorite mug that says that you are better than sparkles and unicorns combined, sending positive vibes to you wherever you are. So imagine this. You arrive in a new country, a new town, or even a new village, and you're trying to find the restroom. However, you and the local people in that place do not speak the same language, which results in communication breakdown and there's a language barrier. So at the end of the day, you end up frustrated, unassisted, and you're still pressed to use the bathroom. That very same frustration is what I think that people who are deaf or dumb experience when they meet us, they need help, and we cannot communicate in sign language, or at least have a basic knowledge of some sign language words. I'm here to share a few basic sign language words and phrases that you could use any time that you come into contact with someone who is deaf or dumb. I should note, however, that sign language does differ in countries and continents, but there are some signs that are universal, like hello and good morning and things like that. I hope you enjoy. The first sign I will share is how to signal or sign a greeting. Hello, hello, hello. So you have your right hand out and your thumb just folded in between and you just go hello. And obviously after your greeting, the next thing you do is ask someone how they are. So let's start with the word how. How. So you need both hands. Have the palms of your hands facing your chest. Coil them. How. So how, this is R, you. How are you? You try. And someone will respond to say, I'm fine. I'm fine. This is fine. Or good. So when your right hand is on your lips and then falls into your left palm. Or well. If you're living in Botswana, this one will interest you. So the sign language sign for the letter B is, this is B. And so this is how you would sign Botswana. You get your B and then you just circle it around. So this is Botswana, yay! So if you want to ask someone where, get your finger out and you move it around. Where? Where? If you want to ask when, and my favorite is why. Why? Why? And this is how you signal help. 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 If you've done someone wrong and you want to apologize in sign language, you clench a fist and you put your thumb over your fingers. This is actually the sign language sign for the letter S. And you put that on your chest and you circle it. That is how you say sorry. For all my Jesus lovers, let me teach you something. This is how you sign yes in sign language. And then Jesus, love, you cross your hand on your chest and you squeeze. And me, you just point at yourself. So, yes, Jesus, love me. So, yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. Now you try. Yes, Jesus loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. If you want to signal name or ask someone what their name is, here's the sign for name. Name. If you were given an instruction to do something, but unfortunately you forgot, that is the sign for forgot. And lastly, when you want to signal okay, you simply use the sign language alphabet letters O and K, which is basically O and K. So O and K. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you found this video insightful. I really wanted to share this because I found myself in many platforms that if I had not attended or been there, the people that could not speak or were deaf would not have had assistance or someone to talk to, and it's honestly extremely frustrating for them. So if at least one person can learn how to sign basically from this video, it would mean so much, not to me, but to the person that they will be encountering who is deaf. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel and video with anyone who will listen. Till we meet again in our next video. Bye!
Always be gracious and kind to anyone you encounter, regardless of race, age, status, or even their ability.